start 160 days of GFG code. And now today's question is second largest element. Now the problem is we have to find out the second largest element from the array. Now we have given one array in which we have 35, 12, 1, 10, 34, 1. So our output will be 34 because 34 is the second largest element in this array. Now if you take an example of this array, in this array, the second largest element is 5. So our output will be 5. And here there is no any second largest element exists, so our output will be -1. So let us code for this problem. Now, first of all, we will go for the approach of two pointers. So we will take two pointers. First is largest element, and we will initialize it with array of 0. With considering that the first element is largest, and second is second largest element, and we'll consider it as 0 for now. And the one iterative variable which is initialized with 0. Sorry. Now we will go with a loop while I is less than array dot length. Of course, we have to iterate entire array. So we are going with a loop. Now we have a condition that if array of I is greater than largest, then please first of all we will update the second largest element with largest element. Then largest element is equal to our array element which is greater. And think about one condition also, if there is no element which is greater than largest, but still there is an element which is not greater than largest, but greater than second largest. So we have to update that second largest element. So we will use that concept that if array of I is less than largest, it's all right. And if also if second largest element is no, if array of I is greater than second largest element, then we will update second largest is equal to array of I. So this will update the second largest element, and one most important thing to update our iterative variable which is I. And here we will return, of course we have to return the second largest element. Second largest is equal to second largest element, and we have to initialize second largest element with -1 because if there is no largest element exists, so we have to return the output as -1. So let's compile it. Here is one error. It's about of indentation, nothing else. Now let's do. So our compilation is done and our code is giving correct output as expected. Now we will submit it. Now we have to check is that passing every test cases. Okay, congratulations, it's passed all the things.